Dr. Hassan Ayariga, leader of the All People's Congress (APC), has called for a government probe into allegations by Reverend Ntim Fodjor about a suspicious aircraft landing at Kotoka International Airport. Fodjor claimed the plane might have been involved in drug trafficking or money laundering, prompting reactions from President John Mahama and his aide Felix Kwakye Ofosu. Ayariga stressed the need for accountability, urging authorities to uncover the truth to protect Ghanaians' reputation. He added that if the allegations are false, Fodjor should be sanctioned for causing fear and panic.
Because whoever alleges must prove. Yeah, from the APC side, yeah, narcotic boards, national security, government of the day, or more investigate the allegations made by Reverend Ntim no muhua eye nokore ana wabua because yen Ntim Ntim asigana ha na every day nipa mo kasa ade na ye na se Ghana din because ni ya Ghana for me presidential candidate me president me pia me ko abrochira o say oh free Ghana ye whom say o country no omo ye cocaine omo ye money laundering Ntim sisa me nim say last year 2 planes back Ghana, 2 private jets omo back Ghana ha omo fa nema bra ye me hu nema no ye there ye gold ye diamond ye boxer na ye cocaine me hu but me nim say planes no omo back Ghana no omo betina asi Ghana for 4 months ni pilots no more fact planes no bra no omo akọ no more jar planes no the cameras no airport untimi yi adeapie airport na cameras na intimi capture the whole of the tarmac there are cameras from the top down watching everything anameboa unless you discharge the cargo on up there if you didn't discharge it there you brought it to Ghana whatever you brought to Ghana be careful with the kind of propaganda we do in this country because we might think that we are doing political propaganda. But at the end of the day, we are destroying the country many people have labored for. All of you are working to build this country called Ghana. So we cannot allow few people to destroy the image of the country in the name of political power. What here? So Reverend Ntim must be investigated. And he and his team must be called to book to show evidence. He who alleges must prove. So that China, nobody will sit down somewhere and make those kind of allegations.
Commenting on the ongoing issue of illegal mining, popularly known as Galamsey, he accused politicians, traditional leaders, and members of the security service of being part of the illegal activities, despite publicly claiming to be against it.
Men in power, politicians in power, military men and policemen in authority, and chiefs in power. None of these people, when they do not want anybody to involve in Galamsey, will anybody has the authority to participate in Galamsey. As a matter of fact, if Asante Hene says that he doesn't want anybody in Ashanti region to engage in Galamsey, nobody dares the Asante Hene. If President Mahama decides to stop Galamsey and send the military to stop them, nobody can do it. If the police commander in the community wants to stop Galamsey, nobody can do it. So tell me, if they are performing and operating Galamsey, then there's power backing them, or they themselves are the one engaged in it. I have visited so many Galamsey sites, and most of these sites are being operated by civil societies, are being operated by military institutions, police, chiefs, elders, government officials, MPs, ministers of state, and others. They own a lot of concession. So for me, it is very easy to stop Galamsey if we want to. We must all be ready and willing to stop it.